Hey guys, 369, I'll be fine. Just making a video today because a couple months ago I got a new airsoft gun. It is Smith & Wesson M&P 40. I got it for about $90 at Walmart. It is CO2. The CO2 goes in the bottom of the clip. I don't know if you can see that. It also comes with this Allen key so that you can take out the CO2. And on the side here, it has little marks to show you how many BBs are in your clip. And yes, I'm dropping a lot of BBs, but I don't really care, because so this is the gun. Okay, if you can see that, it says M&P 40, Smith & Wesson, Military and Police. It's a pretty nice weight gun. On the side here, this switch, I don't know if you can see it or not, that switch is a safety. I'm going to be shooting at the basketball net that I never use. I want to try and be careful because I have snowmobiles and four-wheelers in my yard. So I'm going to shoot at the little well. And yeah, I have a dog sitting here, and he's probably scared of this gun. Yeah, so this is my new Smith & Wesson M&P 40. Yeah, it's zoomed in. My Smith & Wesson M&P 40 I got around Christmas time. It is now almost the end of February, coming into March. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate and subscribe.